Hey guys, Crypto Mentor, 99, how you doing? It's sunny outside. It is Friday, can you see me? It's Friday, December 20th, 2024. And before I talk about Dabba, the new DePIN project that I found and invested in, and before I tell you how basically a $200 investment could make you hundreds, if not thousands a month, not clickbait, just hold on. So, some people invest in cryptocurrency projects for different reasons. Again, I've been a cryptocurrency investor since 2016. Some look at the use cases. What is this project? What world problem is this crypto project going to solve? Some look at the tokenomics. Some look at whatever. And for me, I always look at the people that are involved in the project. And I don't talk about it a lot on my YouTube channel, but I absolutely love India. I love Indian people. I love Indian culture. And when I saw Dabba, and I found that they were based in India, to me, my Indian friends are the kindest people I know. When I was back in Illinois and in business, I'll make this video short, don't worry. When I was in Chicago as a salesman, my 3 favorite customers were from India. And I used to go into their office, and they were my biggest customers too. Now that I think about it, 1, 2, and 3. But I would talk about India with them. I would talk about the culture. So again, I'm repeating myself. When Dabba came along, it was a no-brainer for me. So what's Dabba? Basically, if you buy a hotspot, if you buy a router for $199, they're going to install it for you in India. So there's a huge data opportunity in India that Dabba has figured out, and they're capitalizing on it. They've been in the Wi-Fi / hotspot / router industry for 7-8 years, I think. I hope I've got that right. I'm just starting to learn about it. So, again, I hate to say ground floor opportunity, but it's relatively new. Season 1, they call it. They had 1,000 hotspots that they sold like right away. We're in season 2, and I think they've sold not that many, nowhere near 10,000. And the token launch, I've said in my other videos, the token launch, fingers crossed, first quarter 2025. So I've got their website below. I've got my referral link below. If you want to buy a hotspot, 1, 2, 5, 10, 1,000, whatever, hey, I'd appreciate it if you use my referral link. Proceeds from that go to help the poor in Guatemala. That's a story for another video. We've been going down there for 10 years. I've made 14 trips, going again in February. And we help clothe people, give people food, medicine. Anyhow, so if you want to use my referral link, greatly appreciate it. But check out Dabba. I did about 10 to 15 hours of research on it. I love it. I'm going to be buying more routers / hotspots and watch the money roll in. Anyhow, that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family, and love y'all. Bye-bye.